Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to get Fennec Fox in Roblox to grow a garden game, so first you have to do is simply uh, when you are on grow a garden game, so you have to do is, let me show you something. So here is the Fennec rabbit, sorry for that, the Fennec Fox. So it is actually obtained by the oasis egg, and the method is you have to purchase the premium oasis egg that cost of 149 Roblox. Now here how you can just get this. So the Fennec Fox is a divine pet to the one of the 5 pets available on the oasis egg that was added to grow a garden as part of the mega harvest update on June 28, 2025. If you are hoping to add the market to your collection, here's a breakdown of all the important information you need to know, including rarity and chance to obtain the pet and what is unique abilities. So that their ability should be that the Fennec Fox is pet what that's execute to the oasis eggs in grow a garden. So it has a 0.5% chance to hatching from a oasis egg and is a divine rarity, making it one of the hardest to obtain pets. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.